I want to speak about cyclodextrins. Cyclodextrins, I have been taking myself through liquid suppositories, or they call them enemas, for 16 months. 20 months ago, I was a dead man walking. I had two totally blocked arteries, which I've talked about, shared with people. And I was an emergency patient. I could hardly get out of bed. Walking 50 meters was difficult. And I got so bad, I fell 3 times. And they wanted to put 2 stents in. And basically, it took so long to schedule the operations that even before I started taking the cyclodextrins, my protocol, natural allopathic medicine, using CO2 inhalation, hydrogen and oxygen inhalation, lots of magnesium, and other things, nattokinase, started pulling me out of the hole enough to when they finally did call me to put the first stent in, I declined. I said, put me at the end of the list. And at that exact moment, or within that week, I had found out about cyclodextrins from Dr. Roberts and was very excited about it. The company in Australia that make it, they shipped twice and got rejected, customs, and then the third time it came in. I was feeling better. Didn't feel like I was dying so fast. And then I started taking the cyclodextrins. And now 16 months later, this is what you see. I'm not running marathons, but my general circulation, which I can feel through my feet and my legs, has improved. I feel great. My mind is at 110%, my heart wide open, writing books about my experience. Well, I was converted watching Dr. Roberts' video. He's an eminent cardiologist. Well, what can I say? I'm alive. My wife thought she was going to lose me. So it's a second coming for me. And though I employ a full protocol, I'm very disciplined. My wife thinks I'm very disciplined. I don't, but there are things I do every day. I don't do everything every day, but I probably run through 10 different things that I do to stay well, to keep increasing my health, to feel younger instead of older. So not every morning, not after 16 months.
You've just watched the first minutes of this video. To continue, the full version is available on Substack. The link is in the description.